Hi and welcome to Popup. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new pop-up. So here in your dashboard, you have to go to campaigns here and click on pop-up. And in order for you to create a new pop-up, you have to click create pop-up on the upper right hand corner of your screen, and you can see the goals displayed here. So we have 6 goals here, and you can select um, any of these goals. So for the sake of this video, we're going to use this one, get subscribers, and add our title here. And then let's hit create. Now there you already have your pop-up, and now it's time to customize it according to your liking and also to fit your store. So first you have to decide if you decide to change your goal. So you can select from any of these goals here. So for example, this spin to win wheel, if you want an interactive pop-up. And then this one, get subscribers to collect names and phone numbers of your customers. And then traffic to URL. You can direct them to another link here in this button. And then announcement pop-up. Yeah, if you have important store announcements, you can add it here. And coupon pop-up, if you want to offer them a discount, so they need to add their contact details here, and the coupon code will appear once they subscribe. And then last is the social shares, where you can add your social media accounts. So yeah, for this video, we're going to use get subscribers. So these are the other things that you can do to your pop-up. You can change the design, change the background colors, the font, add an image, and then the content. You can select whatever content that you want to add to your pop-up. Settings, you can change the display settings here. Also the page rules and the display locations, you can select them from here. And then the conversion text, you can add them here. So these sections are explained in our other video, which I would link here, the introduction to Pop Convert. There you can find better explanations about these sections. So let's go back to our goal, and once you're finished, so once you're confident with your content with this one, you can hit save, or you can either publish it and or schedule it. So if you want to schedule your pop-up, you can go to the display schedule and select from start date if you want to just set the start date, or set start date and end date if you want also to add the end date here. So please remember that this is in your time zone. So for example, for this video, let's just select the date and the time, and then hit confirm. Yeah, then just confirm. And once you're done, you can hit publish and confirm. And there, you can see your pop-up on your website. And let's look at the preview to check if the pop-up is working. So yeah, there, you can see it here. If you want the pop-up to always show, you can just select this, always show, and just hit publish.